Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Gift, a new YouTuber here based in UK. I'm a mom, and on today's vlog, wow, I've actually been in the UK for over 2 years and I can't even count. But on today's vlog, I want to go on a bus route. Since I've been in this country, I haven't traveled on my own. But today I decided, even if I get missing on the way, I don't even care. My husband will come and pick me wherever I am. But today I'm going to actually do my best. I'm going to be on a bus. I'm going to go around. Wherever I get to, I'll actually try and find my way back home. And guys, I'll be taking you along. I don't know what's going to be happening on the road, but I'll take you along to see how it goes. If I get lost on the road, they will show me on TV. Please, you guys should look for me. Thank you very much for subscribing. To my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing. To my new subscribers that are going to be seeing my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. We are back. Welcome to my channel. This morning I told you guys that I am going on a bus ride. Yes, ever since I've been in this country, I haven't gone on a bus ride, so today I decided to go, and I went with my baby. I think with my husband. Why I wish not to go with my husband, you know, men, when you go to shops with them or when you go out with them, they won't allow you go out. They won't allow you buy what those relevant things you want to buy. They want you to be in an hurry, and you have no choice than to listen to them and do whatsoever they want you to do. So today I decided to go on a bus ride on my own for the first time without nobody, and of which I went and it was successful. Well guys, it is evening and I made this indomie with scrambled egg for myself. So I'll be eating and I'll be talking to you. I went out today and it was super boom. I visited a lot of shops and I'll be showing you the things I bought on my own for the first time. It's not easy. Let me take this and show you guys what I bought. Well, I visited China. I bought this sandals for my baby. Like, since we give birth to her, she's 7 months already, and she has never worn slippers, sandals, nor anything. So I bought this beautiful sandals. I love it. Well, I didn't really shop for myself. I actually did all my shopping just for her. I bought this beautiful sleeping wear for her. She can wear them to sleep. She grows so fast, so I'm always buying twice in a week for her. So I bought this stuff. They're so beautiful. Like, I saw a lot of beautiful things at I saw these beautiful things at Primark and I love them. It is winter, so I needed to buy things like this for her. Very nice and affordable. So I bought this too for her. There are 2 sets of leggings for her. Yeah. I bought this. It is winter, so she needed things like this. So I bought her a Christmas pajamas. Yeah, they're so nice and very, very beautiful and very affordable. It's very good, and I know she will love it. I didn't plan going to shop to buy anything. I just went, like, I just want to go on a bus ride on my own. Then I bought this beep. Babies, they need a lot of beep because they mess up their, as in this mess, warning out. When you're warning out your baby, you need a lot of beep for them. Got this for her. Then I got this beautiful stockings, socks for her. They are a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of socks for her, because the one she has, as in she have been wearing it from when I gave birth to her, so she's really growing so fast. She wears 9 to 12 months clothes. She is 7 months, but she doesn't wear 7 months clothes. She wears 9 to 12 months clothes. So she has really overgrown her clothes. So I bought this beautiful 5 pairs of socks for her. The weather, you know, in UK, the winter is already here, so you need to cover up your baby or your child or your kids well. It's very important. You yourself as an adult, you cover yourself. Then I bought toothbrush for her. Look, it's very, very nice. I got it for £1.50. Very nice. Let me see. This is it. This and it comes with this also. They're very, very nice. So, and I actually bought just this eyeliner when dry for myself. I bought this for myself. This was the only thing I bought for myself. Anyway, guys, that is all for today, and thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing to my videos. Bless you. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my video, like, share, comment, click on the notification button because you'll be seeing more of this video. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you very much. Yeah, Mama, finally I'm done. Okay, Mommy is done. Magam,